Deep in the heart of the jungle, one peaceful night turned into an unforgettable adventure. Mowgli was sleeping in his small hut when he heard strange echoes calling his name. Mowgli! Mowgli! He woke up confused. Bagheera appeared instantly and whispered, "This is not normal. Something is disturbing the jungle tonight." The trees were shaking, the wind howling, and every echo bounced strangely, as if the jungle was trying to warn them. Suddenly, Baloo ran in, panicking but trying to look brave. "Buddy, something's making weird sounds near the Echo Valley. Even I'm scared, and you know I usually only fear running out of honey." Mowgli, Bagheera, and Baloo went together toward the Echo Valley. The jungle grew darker, the echoes louder, the wind wilder. When they reached the valley, the ground trembled. From behind the rocks jumped not a monster, but a tiny cub, a lost baby wolf named Liru. He was crying so loudly that the entire valley was echoing his voice like a giant beast. Bagheera sighed with relief. Baloo started laughing. Baloo. So the big, scary monster was a tiny, fluffy wolf baby. Mowgli stepped forward. "He needs us, not fear." They took Liru back home. But then Shere Khan appeared. His eyes glowed in the moonlight. "That cub belongs to me." His roar shook the trees. Mowgli stepped forward. "The jungle protects the weak. You can't take him." Baloo and Bagheera stood beside him. Shere Khan growled. But something unexpected happened. The entire wolf pack arrived. Akela stood tall. "Shere Khan, you will not touch this cub." The tiger knew he was outnumbered. Furious, he retreated into the shadows. Mowgli handed the cub to the wolf pack. Liru stopped crying, looked at Mowgli, and licked his hand. Bagheera smiled. Baloo hugged Mowgli so tightly he almost crushed him. "Well, that was scary, but kind of fun too." They all laughed as the jungle echoed their joy. And from that night on, the Echo Valley was no longer a place of fear, but a place where the jungle remembered the bravery of Mowgli and his friends.